Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5, and is priced below $30,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, rear step bumper, front wheel independent suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.